Hello SEO professionals and welcome back again to this advanced SEO course being offered by ClickDeal. And today we are going to discuss or start the section number 3 of this advanced SEO course. Now this section number 3 is completely based on advanced on-page SEO strategies. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you what topics or what on-page SEO strategies you can expect to learn in this section number 3 of the advanced SEO course. So if you are following me from the scratch of this course, you already know that we have already covered lots of topics when it comes to SEO, and I hope you may have found them very useful. But if you are a newbie, just please go back and start this playlist from the scratch if you really want to master the SEO in 2023. So now let's get started with the topics that you can expect to learn in this section number 3 of advanced SEO course. Now before we get started, please just make sure that you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial on this channel or regarding this new SEO course. Also, I really want you to support my channel and this tutorial, and for that you can simply like and share this tutorial with your peers and friends. Anyway, so let's get started without further ado. Alright guys, so now I am going to show you all the topics that you can expect to learn in this advanced SEO course, right, in a moment. But let me show you some results that we recently got from an SEO project. I'm showing these results just because that on-page SEO is still important. Now for SEO, you may have heard that if you have content and if you have backlinks, you are going to get ranked. But today I'm going to prove that even without backlinks, you can expect huge increase in organic impressions, organic clicks, organic visits by just adjusting the on-page SEO of your website, of your blog. So with that said, here is a snapshot from my Google Search Console. So as you can see, the spike, the increment in the graph of the impression. Now as I just encircle the the results, these are the results of just 2 weeks. That's it. In this almost 2 weeks ago we started work on this SEO project, which is a home improvement related website, right? So for now we have not yet built any backlinks. Instead, based on our SEO audit, our SEO team found that the on-page SEO of this website is not in a good position. So that's why we decided to first start right from fixing the on-page SEO errors. Now what could be the on-page SEO problem? So for example, this website was not having any meta description, not targeting the right keywords, not having the header tags, even most of the pages didn't have the H1 tag, no internal linking, no image alt tags, right? So these are some on-page SEO errors that we started to work on, and it resulted in a huge a boost in terms of the organic impression. So now you know that yes, on-page SEO is important. Now let me show you all the topics that you can expect to learn in this advanced SEO course section number 3. So what we are going to cover, right? Basically there are a few things which really matters when it comes to advanced on-page SEO, or include the latent semantic indexing or the LSI keywords. So I am going to teach you about LSI keywords in this section. By the end of this section, you will be able to know what are LSI keywords, why they are important, how you can find out LSI keywords, and how you can use LSI keywords, especially in 2023. So the second thing is I am going to teach you the proper keyword placements on your website, right? Now, on a single web page, an SEO professional have the ability or the opportunity to sprinkle the target keywords. But where should you put your target keyword or, variation of your keywords? This is what you are going to learn in this, section. So the third thing that you are going to learn is that I'm going to show you the advanced on-page SEO analysis. I will show you how you can quickly analyze the on-page SEO for any web page, for any website. Okay. So the fourth thing that you are going to learn in this section is called advanced internal linking, right? So I am going to give you a detailed tutorial on internal linking. Now, you may think that internal linking is so easy, everybody can do this. Yes, I admit that everybody can do this, but not many people can do it that aligns with best SEO practices or that really brings the result to the websites. So that's why I maintain or edit a proper tutorial on advanced internal linking. I will show you how you can do proper internal linking on any kind of website in any niche and how it can really boost the ranking of your web pages or your website, even if you do not have lots of backlinks. Okay, so the last but not the least thing is click depth. Everything you need to know, right? So what is click depth? Basically, click depth refers to how many clicks it takes a user to reach a specific page on your website from the home page. The deeper the click depth, the less likely it is for search engines to index and rank that page. In this section, we will explain the concept of click depth and provide you with the tips on how to improve it. So we will discuss factors such as site architecture, navigation, and link placement as well. So these are few things which are very important when it comes to on-page SEO, and that's why I called it advanced on-page SEO strategies. Now, this is not a big list, but they're just 5 things or 5 elements that you can adopt, and it can magically improve the results of your website in the search results, just like we were able to achieve this boost in the organic impression, right? So with that said, the tutorial is complete now, and I hope you may have found this useful. And once again, if you have got any question, the comment section is always for you. Just go to the comment section and ask your question. I will be happy to answer any of your question. But before we end, please make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial on this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial of this section.